The bride-to-be is all giggles, but she says the cost of weddings is no laughing matter.
Oh. No, they are not.
That's why Leah V, the soon-to-be college graduate, says she's been using the free do-it-yourself and addictive picture collage website Pinterest.
Oh my gosh, Pinterest is like my best friend.
Her wish list is turning into an affordable reality. This is the wedding art she found scrolling through Pinterest. Her brother used it as a template and brought it to life.
What would have cost probably $1,000 to buy online, he made for me, and it's that much more special.
Jane Bennett knows how special a day like this can be. She started planning weddings
17 years ago.
Brides come in with many ideas, and her job isn't quite simple.
To take what she sees and bring it to something of reality.
Jane says Pinterest can be helpful, but you can't believe everything you see.
For most girls, planning a wedding is stressful.
But not for everyone.
So I pick up my dress, my bridesmaid's dress, my future husband's tux, his groomsmen.
Christina has been planning her wedding for as long as Jane has been in the industry.
At the moment I'm single, but I mean I have showed guys in the past, and yeah, they're like, you are crazy.
No wedding, but a wedding board. And although planning a wedding years in advance sounds crazy,
I'll never be too uncertain.
there is no certainty that Pinterest would become the new wedding planner, but the trend is making it fun and easy for brides to be. But maybe not all that easy when the wedding is just a month away. In Athens, Kimberly Johnson, Grady News Source.